Jessica, we need to choose 4 dresses for our performance. But first, we need to choose outfits for leaving the house.
Great! I have the perfect dress for leaving the house. It's very sunny outside, so I'll take an umbrella to protect us from the sun.
That's a beautiful dress, Jessica. I'll wear a dress too and take a hat for sun protection.
I think we also need to choose a purse. I have a beautiful flower purse.
That's a very pretty purse, Jessica. I'll also choose a purse that matches my outfit.
Our first outfit is ready. Now, we need to choose dresses for our performance on stage.
First, we need to choose dresses for dancing with the boys. I'll wear a beautiful pink dress with yellow ribbons. I'll also wear a beautiful wig to highlight the beauty of my hair.
That's a very pretty dress. I'll also choose a dress for the performance and wear a beautiful ribbon on my head.
Great! We found the dress for dancing with the boys. Now, we need to choose a dress for the musical performance. I'll choose a white dress with a blue vest. I play the flute.
That's a beautiful dress. I'll wear a pink dress with a pink vest. I play the tambourine.
Great choice. Let's move on to the next dress selection.
In the next number, we dance with the girls. I'll wear a light blue dress with a light blue ribbon.
Jessica, that's a very pretty dress. I'll wear a shirt with a red skirt, and I'll also have a red wig that matches my skirt.
Yay! We found the most beautiful dresses. Now, let's move on to the next outfit.
We need to find the dress for the final performance. It has to be the most beautiful dress. I chose a ball gown with pink ribbons.
That's the most beautiful dress. I'll also choose the most beautiful dress in my wardrobe.
Jessica, we'll be the most beautiful ones on stage. Our outfit is complete. Hooray!
I totally agree with you, Vika. We found the most beautiful dresses. Now, we're ready for the performance.
Woo!